This 2018 Forest River XLR Thunderbolt 340 AMP is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Duncan, South Carolina, 29334 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Spartanburg. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 40 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 7, slide-out, and 94 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bedroom, loft, 2 entry, exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.